12 Snowy Winter Days of Christmas collab.
Jingle bell, jingle bell, jingle bell rock. Jingle bell.
Hey guys, welcome back to PRINTABLE, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make these DIY doll Uggs for your AG doll. They're super cute, and this is day 5 of 12 Snowy Winter Days of Christmas collab. This collab is a collab with ladybugag06, and we trade off days leading up to Christmas for 12 days and posting a video every day. Something Christmas related, so make sure you check out her video day after this video. So yeah, let's get into the tutorial. Okay, the things you are going to be needing to make this craft are your choice color of felt, depending on what color you want your Uggs to be, a needle and thread. You want your thread to kind of match the color of your felt, and a needle, and this is optional, but you can use a sewing machine or just hand stitch it. Also, you're going to be needing the pattern, which is in the description box, printed off, and this pattern is actually made by my Froggy Stuff, and this is basically their tutorial, but I'm just shedding some more light on their awesome tutorial. So it says check out my Froggy Stuff's video, but of course this is how I'm showing you how to make it, so you don't need to go check out their video even though it's awesome. So you'll need the printable in the description box, and you'll be needing some really thick black or white craft foam. I got this at Michael's and it's really thick. It's not the thin kind, it's very thick. And then for embellishments, I'm going to be using some buttons, ribbon, hot glue, and another color of felt. Or it could be the same color as your base of your boot. Like if you're doing a black Uggs, which are really cute, you can totally use black felt to embellish it, which I'll show you how to do that. First, you want to cut out all the shapes in the pattern, and you don't have to cut out this part. Place all the pieces on the felt and cut them out. While I'm cutting out, I found extending it lengthwise is going to be a lot helpful to make sure that you get it all right the first try. But don't change it widthwise because that will be bad. Okay, so I have all my pieces cut out, and now I'm just going to focus on the piece that looks like a C, and then the one that looks like a rectangle with a rounded edge right here. And I'm going to align the curves, and we're actually going to sew it. So this curve right here, and then this curve right here, and we're going to line up the ends, and then we're just going, you can actually kind of pull the felt, but don't pull it too much. Kind of pull it to align it, but don't pull it too much or else it'll be out of shape. And then we're just going to sew it. Day and night, night and day, here in Christmas Town.
Of the year. I don't know if there'll be snow, but have a cup of cheer.
Okay, so I have that sewn, and now it kind of just looks like this. And now, with my long piece that I had, I'm going to get my doll's foot right here, and I'm going to wrap it around her foot. And see this, how it is? It looks like this, kind of. This is the front top, and so it's going to be on her foot, like this. So see the little boot shape already? Okay, good. And then I'm going to kind of hook up one end of this rectangle to one side and then the other side, and then trim it so it fits perfectly around the doll's foot. So I got my rectangle, and turns out it is, I did need to make it a little longer than the pattern, so my plan worked. We're going to grab this piece and just flip it to the other side, doesn't matter. So on this side of these two pieces, on the raw edge, like where you sewed, just take it and match it up to the short side of your rectangle and just sew it with a straight stitch right there. Then once you have that, just do it on the other side, align it, make sure that this like rounded piece is straight on the fabric, and then I'm going to do that on the other side. Okay, so now it looks like this. We sewed it on this side and we sewed it on this side, and I'm going to turn it inside out. Look, there's our little boot, and now we're just going to get, I can't find it. It's gone forever. How weird this is. What the heck? Oh, there it is. Okay, and then I'm going to get my little foot piece, and I'm going to just sew it on. I think we have to sew it on when it's inside out though. So turn it inside out again, and then just match up the edges, and then just sew it. And I think I actually need to make the foot piece a little bigger. If you need to make it bigger, just kind of trace it bigger.
Have yourself a merry little Christmas. Let your heart.
So now I sew it all around here, and then you're just going to turn it right side out, and everything is just coming together And there's our little boot, and I'm just going to cut some foam from my black craft foam. This is a hot mess. And I'm just going to glue it on the bottom of my Uggs. And then try it on your doll to make sure that it fits. Does it fit? I think it fits. Okay, good, it fits. And now we're gonna do the embellishments, and also sorry for the background noise, my sister won't turn off the TV, so whatever. But we need to get our white felt, and so I'm just going to cut a little strip of my white felt. And then I'm just going to pull my felt so that it's kind of just looks like that. Super easy. And then I'm going to hot glue it on my boot to add detail and cover up this hot glue. Yeah, I'm gonna glue it like right there. Okay, so now I've added the trim, and I did on the side and the bottom, and I added these cute little buttons and this really cute bow that makes it super cute. And now we just have to make the other boot. And now I have my two boots, and now I'm just going to put them on my doll. Okay guys, that is basically it. This is the finished product. They're super cute, so adorable. I love them so much. And make sure you check out day 6 on ladybugag06's channel, link in the description box, for another awesome Christmas related video. And then check back on me for day 7, so on and so forth. And yeah, and talk. Well, anyways, guys, make sure you like, subscribe, comment down below because I love talking to you. And also, how about you comment your favorite Christmas cookie flavor, or if you even like cookies. Yeah, okay, bye!